And that's where I want to start off today with the forecast for severe weather, which has actually just got upgraded for parts of the Mississippi Valley and the Tennessee Valley. I'll show you that in a second. This was some video from Saturday, Henrietta, Oklahoma. This is a great video. It really shows perfectly what a downburst is. Like when people talk about, oh my gosh, we got hit by a downburst, we got hit by a microburst. It's the same thing. Straight line damaging wind that comes from the top of the storm. It's a big ball of cold air along with the rain. It hits the ground where it's warm and moist, and it shoots out in all directions, and that's what it's like to be inside it. And it's always interesting. You can actually see downbursts from far away if you have a clear view of the storm, and it doesn't look like it's moving all that fast, but when you're inside it, it definitely is. Some 60, 70, even 80-plus mile-per-hour winds. Let me show you the outlook here. This has been just the entire region that we've been seeing the disturbed weather over the last few days. That's because we have a stalled out front that's sitting right across that region from the Southern Plains, Ozarks, Mississippi Valley, Tennessee Valley. This is the newest upgrade. This is literally hot off the press. This just came out. They upgraded to a level 3 here. For these leftover storms, they're entering an environment where there's been some destabilization of the atmosphere. And what I think we're going to see is a lot of this stuff start to fill in on the backside of this line that we already have going on. And then we'll get mostly damaging wind moving through this region, straight line wind. So be prepared for that. I-22, I-55. Places like Tupelo, you know, we'll get a little bit closer in here, get you a couple more spots. Again, we're kind of east of Little Rock here. I-55 is a spot where you'll need to watch out for that, and apparently no more cities are going to show up, but you get the idea. If you live in northern Mississippi or central Mississippi, including western Alabama, too. I'm talking Huntsville and areas west of there. We had the nasty storms that rolled through Madison and Huntsville a couple of days ago, and now we've got a new severe weather threat. Now, this is going to happen over the next couple of hours, and you get farther toward the west. I still think this is the more significant severe weather threat. It has yet to pop off. This is going to be during the late afternoon into the evening. There's a dry line out here where some storms will develop along that dry line and then move west to east. They have not formed yet, as I mentioned, but we're expecting some very large hail along with damaging wind, and we could see a couple of tornadoes. Now, I will say this. Right now, this doesn't look like a big widespread tornadoes type of, you know, like a tornado outbreak or anything like that. I think it's going to be mostly big hail and damaging wind with possibly a couple reports of tornadoes. Forecast model does a good job of showing how this is going to pan out. Again, you can see the leftovers of the morning storms producing some nasty stuff over there in the Mississippi and Tennessee valleys. And then here come the storms that are going to form along that dry line. It's later on. It's honestly probably more like as we get closer to the evening. We could see a few of those storms late afternoon, but Oklahoma City is going to have the chance for rain and storms basically from about 4 p.m. on, I would say, at earliest. I'd be surprised if we see anything popping earlier than that. And then it turns into just kind of a jumbled mess of storms that will likely be producing some strong wind. Tomorrow, we've got a chance for severe storms. Don't be surprised if that gets upgraded a little bit to a level 3 as well. Might stay a level 2, but either way, Dallas, you guys are going to be in the bullseye tomorrow. Some very large hail will be the #1 threat.